Hey guys, let's talk about the alarm setup on a Tapo C400. So I have the camera already working, as you can see, and I can just work with the alarms by just tapping here on the main screen. I can just enable the alarm and the camera starts working, right? So if there's motion in front of the camera, it's going to trigger the alarm. And you can also have lights working with the camera. And from here, you can also control this behavior. You come here to alarm, you see that's on. And then you see that's available here, only sound, only light, or sound and light. When somebody approaches your camera, so there's a light there that starts flashing, right, based on the motion detection. And there's also the sound, right? So let me just come back here and show you that you have this default sound type. You can just put here to normal or low the volume. I'm just put here normal because we are here internally and the sound is pretty loud, all right? So here you can have the default sound with the siren, emergency, or red alert, as you can hear here. That's for siren, and then emergency or red alert. You can just test here and pick the one that you like. You just can change here and it's going to use this one, right? I'm just come back here to siren. I like this one because it's pretty loud. Or you can use a custom one. So just come here and you add a new sound. You start recording and then you can name the sound and use this one instead of the default one, right? So there we go, the sound type. There's the alarm duration. You can just use the default or you can change to 5, 10, 30 seconds, custom alarm duration. So super simple. And the event type. So you see that you can tie the alarm to motion detection or person detection. So here you have the event type that you can just select or unselect. But just remember, even if you select it here to work with this alarm, this event, right? You just need to come back here to this detection menu and make sure that you have the motion detection enabled and the sensitivity is good enough to detect the motion. It comes from 1 to 10, right? Less sensitive here with 1 and more sensitive here with 10. You just leave here at 6. And then you can do the same with the person detection. See, that's enabled here. But even if I have person detection enabled here and I don't have it back here on the alarm event type, you see it's not gonna work for person detection. So just be aware that you know what you're doing back there. You just need to enable here in the type and back there also in the detection menu. You just make sure that you have on here as well. Right? Otherwise, it's not gonna work. Just pay attention to this. Back here to the alarm, you can also select the schedule. Just make sure that you have the schedule working as well. See here that you have for all day, it comes like this. But you also have only for during the day, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Let's say somebody approaches your home at 9 p.m. It's not gonna work, so if you're using this one. So pay attention to this as well. There is the night alarm as well, 8 p.m. to 8 a.m. if you prefer to use that way. During the day, it's not triggering the alarm, so perhaps it's better for you that way. Or you can use a custom schedule here. With the weekday, you can just select the weekday, repeat, and also start time and ending time, right? Let me just come back here and leave like all day, and I'm good to go, okay? So alarm is going to work that way, and it's super simple. And then you can also enable and disable from here. You see it? It's easier that way because you just see the video here, you just enable the alarm and it keeps working, right? Just put the camera there so you see a nice picture here, right? So super simple. Basically, that's the way you can work with your alarms, and when people start coming by or cars approaching your home, you're gonna have the alarm going off, right? Hope that helps. Please leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, give your thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.